everything from the safety of welding to some of the higher end welding, especially if you go into the advanced side of the welding program. You will learn everything from what they're going to expect. You're going to learn SMAW, stick welding, TIG welding, wire welding, all the different joints, blueprints, metallurgy, safety, everything.
My favorite part of welding would be the projects, putting them together, solving the problems that arise on the projects, getting it done, making something with your hands.
My favorite part of welding is you just get to do a bunch of fun projects when we get into full time. The instructors are super nice. They pretty much just give you help when you need it.
The expectations in my trade are pay attention. You gotta be here to learn. You want to learn the trade, you want to learn everything about it, you want to make a better life for yourself.